Hello everyone, welcome to Modeling Lab tutorial. I am Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, KITS Warangal. In this video lecture, we will discuss few important tips in CATIA V5 software. Let us see the first tip, that is how to change the units in CATIA V5 software. Before going to draw any sketch in CATIA V5 software, uh, we need to check the units. That means the given units are uh, chosen or not chosen in the CATIA V5 software. Let us see how to change the units in CATIA V5. Go to the tools in menu bar, choose options. One window is appear, that means it is the options window. In the options window you can choose general. In the general you can choose parameters and measure. In the right side we will see the different options. In this we can choose units. Here different types of magnitudes are available, that is length, angle, time, mass, volume, density, etc. The important setting is how to change the units in CATIA V5 software. For example, if you need to change the length from inches to millimeter, just you can click this arrow symbol. It shows different types of units, that means millimeter, meter, centimeter, kilometer, etc. By using this option, we can choose the required unit. Now I am choosing millimeter. Here the length dimensions are changed from inches to millimeter. Similar like you can change the angle units, time units, mass units, volume units, density units, etc. Then you can click OK. Now the units are converted, changed from inches to millimeter. This is the first tip. Let us see the second tip, that is how to save data automatic in CATIA V5 software. Let us see how to do the setting. Similarly, you can go to the tools in menu bar, options. Just you can choose general. In the right side, you can see the data save. Here, automatic backup every 15 minutes is default value. Uh, we, you can also change, you can also increase or decrease the time by using this top arrow and bottom arrow. The new period you set up between two saves will be taken into account from the next save on. By using this option, you can uh, you can save the data automatically in CATIA V5 software. This is the second tip. Let us see the third tip, that is how to change the background color in CATIA V5 software. Same, you can go to the tools, options. In the options you can choose display. In the display we are having a few options are there. In this you can choose visualization. Here by using this background color you can change the your favorite color, or you can change color from one color to another color. Here the default background color of CATIA is blue gray color. By using this arrow symbol you can choose the another value, different colors. The second one is here these are the default colors in CATIA V5, that is selected elements orange color, next selected edges red color, uh, pre-selected elements that is also in orange color, pre-selected element line type, that is dot dashed type, low intensity elements that is here the name is not mentioned. So by using this is the procedure to change the background color in CATIA V5. Go to the options, display, visualization, background color. By using this option, now I am choosing white color, blue gray color to white color. Then you can click OK. Now the background color changed from blue gray color to white color. This is the procedure to change the background color in CATIA V5. Let us see the fourth important tip. For example, if you miss any tool in CATIA V5, how to restore the toolbar in CATIA V5. The fourth tip is how to restore toolbars in CATIA V5. Let us see, go to tools in menu bar, choose customize. In the customize window, you can choose toolbar. The first one is standard toolbar. Here two options are there, that is restore all contents, second one is restore position. By using these two options, we can restore all contents related to the toolbar. Next one is restore contents of all toolbars. Then click OK. The second one is restore position. Restore position of all toolbars. This is the procedure to restore the missing icons, that means missing tools or toolbars in CATIA V5 software. By using these two options, we get the missed, that means hide tools in CATIA V5 software. Then click close. These are the few important tips in CATIA V5 software. In the coming lecture, we will discuss few more important tips in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.